In sneaker news, the lineup for early 2026 is already shaping up to be one of the most exciting in recent years. First up, one of the most anticipated releases of 2026 is finally making waves, the Fragment X Union X Air Jordan 1 High OG. This rare three-way collaboration brings together Hiroshi Fujiwara's Fragment Design, Gibbs Union LA, and the legendary Jordan brand for a powerhouse partnership. The pair is scheduled to land in spring 2026, releasing through Fragment Design, Union Los Angeles, select retailers, and Nike.com. Moving on to February releases, the Air Jordan 4 Sierra Red, also known as the upcoming Valentine's Day women's exclusive, arrives on February 7, 2026. Dressed in pale ivory with energetic Sierra Red and tough red accents, this AJ4 mixes clean elegance with bold pops of color. Retail is set at $220, available in women's sizing. Just days later, Jordan brand continues the women's lineup with the Air Jordan 10 Hydrangeas, blooming on February 13, 2026. Featuring an off-white leather base with vibrant purple touches, this floral-inspired pair delivers fresh spring energy. Women's sizes only, retailing for $200. Also dropping on February 13 is a refined take on a classic, the Air Jordan 1 High OG Cool Gray. With white leather underlays, cool gray suede overlays, black accents, metallic gold wings branding, and Game Royal tongue tags, this pair blends timeless simplicity with luxury details. Retail price lands at $180. As the NBA All-Star Weekend 2026 heads to Los Angeles, Jordan brand pays homage to the city's basketball legacy with the Air Jordan 4 Lakers. Expected to release during the All-Star festivities in mid-February, the shoe highlights LA's iconic purple and gold rivalry energy. Finally, Jordan brand celebrates the 35th anniversary of the Air Jordan 6 with the long-awaited retail debut of the Air Jordan 6 Reverse Infrared. Originally designed in 1999 as a salesman sample, the colorway flips the classic black infrared makeup with a black nubuck upper and light crimson accents. This archival gem officially releases on February 14, 2026, priced at $215.